Hi guys, we are back today. Say hi, Dr. Adesh.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we are doing a thread lift on this patient. So what is it that you are exactly doing?
So today we are going to uplift her cheek area and her jowl with the help of this cork thread. So here we are strategically focusing on her jaws. You can show the people like we are putting such cork thread in such a manner and in these two different angles. So here I am taking the insertion point from upper temporal region.
So as you can see, the patient is very comfortable because already local anesthesia has been injected. So basically the results of the thread lift are instant, but with time over the next 2 to 3 months the results get better as it induces collagen production. As you can see, the thread has been inserted and the needle is out. So now we are going to cut the thread. Okay, so we are inserting the second one. So, threads alone do work wonderfully, but, we like to combine a lot of procedures together to give you one of the best results. So, we often combine threads with... Sorry guys, the video was paused. So, we often combine threads with fillers, and Botox a lot of times so that we get better results and longer results. So, anything you want to tell the audience, Dr. Adesh, about threads? What are they made of? What exactly? Are they safe?
Yeah, they are totally safe. And in threads, we can get some amount of instant lift, and the quality of thread will decide the further collagen formation and the upliftment of the area. You can use these kind of threads in any body part. I mean, specifically for your facelift area, for your eyebrow lift,
okay,
for your nose.
Yeah, for the upliftment of the nose. Also guys, we are doing a lot of ponytail facelifts and eyebrow lifts off lately. We will be sharing the pictures with you soon. So it's something very in. So can you please tell us, Dr. Adesh, what exactly is the eyebrow lift?
Yes, we use these cork threads in the eye area, eyebrow area, and we use it in such a manner
to lift the brows,
uplift of the forehead skin.
So earlier,
eye appearance of the patient.
Yeah. So earlier we used to do Botox for brow lift. So how is thread better than Botox for the eyebrow lift?
So there is not any specific uplifting position you can achieve from Botox. It is not necessary you will exactly achieve upliftment of eyebrow from Botox or not. But in case of threads, it is very specific and it's all up to you how much upliftment you want from threads and from which specific portion. You can achieve it on the usage of those threads, insertion points, and in case of Botox, it works on muscle hyperactivity.
And also the threads are going to last much longer than the Botox, because the Botox lasts for about 4 to 5 months, but the threads last for about 1.5 to about 2 years. So, what next after this, Dr. Adesh?
So, after this face upliftment, we are going to do lip fillers, enhancement of her lips, and chin fillers for the enhancement of and protuberance of sharp chin area.
Okay, and what all other things are achieved by threads? Like, can they be put in the neck also? What are the results that we
Yes,
can get?
You can put it in neck area. Those who have double chin issues or very soggy skin in the neck area, or they have turkey neck with the aging effect, you can use those threads in a zigzag manner in a mesh network placement, and you will get instant neck lift in your neck area.
So guys, we are doing the fillers and the Botox today itself, right after this thread lift is completed. So we'll come back soon. Okay, so I'm logging out for now. Bye bye.